we're gonna get a new truck. What you didn't know, we saw the nice truck. What we were gonna get. It's red. It's black inside, and even there's a thing. It's easier to get your seatbelt, and even there's a thing where the dogs could be. Well, I'm losing time. No. Ruined my gorgeous speak. That mushroom is Hey guys, we're in this side of the office. We're gonna buy a car. What you didn't know yesterday, we were gonna get a car. It was beautiful. It was red. It was a nice car back there. Orange had like that spoon. We got some candy from that candy machine. I got Skittles. Here guys, eat a bite. Guys, what you
The investigation is underway.
We buy the new car, so amazing, and we see if it's easy to do stuff. I know they don't understand me, I just talk to do fast.
The social media apps TikTok and WeChat are obliged
I'm
to
going on that
hand over
here.
the user.
So guys, we just got burgers.
Tired?
Here is the cream of the fight, rising up to the challenge of all. Guys, we are gonna show you our new car, and what's it called again? Chevy Blazer.
It's a Chevrolet Blazer 2020.
A Chevy Blazer 2020.
Mm-hmm.
And look at, why does it need a star right there? This is our new car. We used to have
The
a black
star,
truck.
it lights when somebody very close to you passes by.
What was it like? Those things.
It blinks.
Triangle.
That's cool, huh?
Oh yeah, how does it do that then? Yeah, and guys, it's really easy to do stuff. You can put on your seatbelt easily and get up. But you can't open the.
Did I lock it?
Yes. It sounds cool. Sounds interesting too. See? Whoa. Look at. It used to be really hard to do our black truck, but this is really easy. I drank too much milk today. Well, just show them the inside. These pedal lights. Ooh, there's a lot of cool stuff. Show them that.
No, you show this part first, okay?
And see, this feels really good. And do you think this is just for a person to just go on that? Nope. Well, I want to show you something. Just for if you have 3 people. Ta-da! Our dogs back here. Sammy, Molly. I make bacon chunk chunk. Those are also our dogs.
You know what else we could do?
What?
You could fold this. Oops.
I remember. How'd you do it?
I think you get it. But I don't know how to do it. Daddy does.
Yeah, he knows.
Yeah, but you can fold this, guys. You can fold it down here.
Yeah, that's
If you need more space from the back. There's our back.
I tried to go down.
Or you can fold the other side if you need more space on the other side.
I'll show them I know in the back.
Just wait, just wait.
Guys.
What?
And in the back, look. This is our seat. This is where the dog's on. And this is my seat. I mean, this is Mikey's seat. This is my seat. How did I just do that?
I did that.
You touched the light. You just
Hey.
touched the light. It opens up. Let's try again.
No, babe, no. I have the remote.
I just did that and then.
It lights when you open the thing, okay?
Okay. Well, what is this?
Oh, there it is. See that? That's hey, don't pull it. That's how you push it down. Yep. No, just don't. It's too hard for you.
Yeah. This is so cool. How'd you do it? Oh, this is for to like what? It's a little wet. Oh! Is that gas?
Yeah. Come on, you get down. Let's show them the driver's seat.
Yeah. That's gonna be amazing. I was a little scared when I heard that. Why are the dogs staring at me? So guys, the dogs are staring at me for that. They hear the when that opened up.
So, babe, get off the door because I'm going to close it, okay? So this is how do you close the door? Oh my God, I don't know. How do you close it? Let's see. I don't know. How do you close the door?
And guys, it's even easy to close the doors for kids. What did you just do? You just turned it on, I think.
Oh, there. Just wait. Just wait. Oh my God. Hey, get out. There, it's closing.
I thought you were going to close down and I get...
So, this is what's in the driver's seat. Okay. So guys, this is an SUV, and most of the SUVs that we know, they don't have anything for the trailers behind
I
them.
always want to go in this before.
They don't have anything to put trailers behind them, and they also usually are a two-wheel drive. Ay, sabi.
They're easy
But
to
this
get out
one
for kids.
is hey.
Okay, let me go now, okay?
This
There's
is
glasses.
it. It has a
Oh, I want to show them another
two-wheel
thing, Mom.
drive, four-wheel
Mommy, I
drive,
want to show
and
them something.
the other one is for when you have a trailer that you're gonna put.
Guys, you can put
on
your
the
glasses in here. How'd you open it? You can put your glasses in there. I think. See? And watch, guys. No, open it.
Hey, Daddy already has the sunglasses. in
Wait, he
there.
has his sunglasses in there already.
Okay, and what else is cool is there's an air conditioner back there for them kids there.
Yeah, there is.
And then,
I love this car so much.
what else? It has more.
What it sound?
Where's the key?
Don't know.
Get out of there. Get down before I had the key on me. It's gonna start. It has more storage.
Start what?
See
Moving?
this, and then that side,
Move
and then
what? Start
On
what?
this side, there's also a place where you can put stuffs.
Start what, Mom?
What else? Oh, the glove box says it. You don't pull it anymore. There, it's cool, huh? I like it. I love it. Love it. Let's see what else. Oh, one thing I didn't like about it is the seat is not automatic. It's not automatic. You see, you gotta pull this. There. It has a, what else? That's all, guys. And it does have two things for the charger, two different kinds. I guess that's all. This is the only USB that I know. I mean, not USB, SUV that I know that has this kind of stuff. 4-wheel drive and a thing for the trailer. It's kind of cool, huh? So that's it. I really like it. We can put the dogs in without being in the seats with us, because a lot of times they like to fight with each other, bark at each other. Huh, I don't know that. What does that thing do? Huh, I don't know. So we're still trying to figure out a lot of stuffs from this thing though, so that's all I can say about this car. How about you, B? What else can you say about the car?
That it's really easy for other things.
The seat belt. Did you tell them about the seat belt?
Oh yeah, the seat belt is so easy. And this
Hey, that's yucky.
is actually for different stuff. That is actually for other stuff.
So again, guys, this is the Chevy Blazer 2020. Jeez, I really love it. I super duper duper love it. This is one of the coolest part, is the blinking thing over there that will blink when there's a car beside you that is too close. That will blink.
Guys, that's it for today now. And I want to show you what we found when the puppies dig a deep hole. They found something.
I thought you said that's it for today.
This one more. This kind of looks like a brain slug. They're from the ocean. Oh, they're really heavy.
Oh, sige na, bye
Not
na.
that heavy. You want to see how strong I am?
Bye na.
So bye guys, I'll see you in my next adventure. Make sure you subscribe and like if you like this car, and hit slap and kick and punch the bell button. Bye.